if you can think back of one of our previous clips that we had where we included spinning techniques with kicks, very much the same principle here, guys. It's just we're using the hands. The spinning backhand, in fact, it was banned from the amateur kickboxing scene up until about, if I'm talking on a correction, 4 or 5 years ago, where there was actually fatalities involved. Guys, a spinning backhand is a very devastating punch. You're spinning through with full power the back side of your hand, and if that lands you onto the side of the jaw, it's good night, bye-bye, sleep tight, and very effective. Personally, one of my favorite techniques to this day I still use whenever I compete, guys, and it's just so nice to finish off a fight. Once again, allowing your body to naturally move and use what you're giving it. With the steep, guys, what Jean-Luc is doing, he's setting it up. As his foot comes down to the steep, immediately you'll see he's turning on the base of his foot, allowing his hips to come through. He's spinning, getting his head to look around as fast as possible because he cannot hit where he cannot see. So your key fundamental thing you need to work on with your spinning backhand is getting your head around your shoulder as fast as possible, keeping your arms as tight as possible to your body before you execute. As you come around, when you make contact, with your eyes, before you let go of that arm, you then extend your arm, getting it in there, pushing it through. Guys, walking through with that spinning backhand, very important. You can't just stop because then you're actually blocking your hips. With any spinning technique, you have to spin right through because that will give you momentum. If you're going to start blocking yourself by stopping just after you made contact, that will affect the effectiveness of your spinning backhand. So guys, once again, as Jean-Luc is setting it up with his steep, he places his foot, immediately turns around, swings through and lands, spinning that leg back, ready to go shoot that spinning backhand if missed. Hey guys, can't stress it enough, guys. Whenever you kick or when you punch in a spinning technique, is you need to, first of all, you need to look where you are going to do that specific technique. So we need to know where we are punching, we need to know where we are kicking, and therefore we need to focus where we are actually doing that. It's good to plan, guys. It's good to know what your distances are when it comes to kicks and punches. You need to know what the range is of your spinning technique. You need to know what the range is of your spinning kick, where you are going to land. That will actually determine how you can read and judge the distance your opponent is from you when it comes to a fight. So guys, once again, you need to go and train that. Get on a bag, get on a kick paddle, get on a Thai pad with your trainer, with your coach, and start working on that distance so you know where you're comfortable. Guys, spinning backhand, you can hurt yourself as well. If you're going too deep, you actually strike with your forearm or with your elbow, and that gives you a nice tendonitis in your elbow and it puts you out for a while. But guys, what you want, ideally, it needs to hit the back of your hand. Going through, you brush it through, back of the hand, guys, to the side of the jaw, that's where you want to land it. So get those targets in place for yourself so you know that is where you're going to strike against. And using it when setting it up, when using the teep, a very versatile kick, very similar to a jab when it comes to hands. So using your teep, it's not always for putting guys down, but it's more for setting guys up as well. What Jean-Luc has done here, he set up that spinning backhand, getting me into his range. Okay guys, so he knew that I was too far from him with the kick. So he put in a teep to get me close, give him the momentum as his foot comes down to spin and get that punch in. So guys, get on the bags, get on the pads, get on the kick paddles, start putting those targets out for yourself, get that distance in and spin away, guys. Very versatile techniques to use. I love them, love teaching them to my students. They're actually using them with great success in all fights. So guys, thank you. Have an awesome day. Get on those bags and pads and watch out for us for the next one. Thanks. Hey guys, thanks for watching that. I really do hope you enjoyed it and it's going to add some value to your game. Please subscribe to our channel, like and share, help us get it out there. Till next time, thanks.